Get ready, tech lovers, because Samsung is about to rewrite smartphone history with the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, the most futuristic phone you've ever seen. Imagine holding a single device that can unfold into not one, not two, but three screens. It's like carrying a phone, tablet, and mini laptop all in your pocket. Sounds unreal, right? Well, Samsung is turning that dream into reality, and this upcoming device is already creating a storm in the tech world. The Galaxy Z Trifold is rumored to feature a massive 7.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display that folds seamlessly using Samsung's advanced triple-hinge flex design, offering a smooth, durable, and truly jaw-dropping experience. When folded, it looks sleek and compact, but unfold it and you're greeted with an expansive canvas perfect for multitasking, gaming, or streaming. It's productivity and entertainment blended into one futuristic device. Now let's talk power, because this phone isn't just about looks. It's expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, built for ultra-fast performance, AI-driven optimization, and next-level efficiency. This means lightning-fast app launches, smoother gameplay, and smarter battery management, the kind of power that makes you feel like you're using a device from the future. Speaking of AI, Samsung is reportedly taking things to a new level with Galaxy AI 2.0, offering real-time translation, advanced photo editing, and on-device AI assistants that learn your habits and personalize your entire phone experience. And that's not all. The Galaxy Z Trifold's camera setup is rumored to feature a triple-lens array with a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, giving you DSLR-like shots in any lighting condition. With AI scene enhancement and ProVisual Engine, your photos and videos will look sharper, more vibrant, and more professional than ever before. For battery life, Samsung is going big with a 5,000 mAh dual-cell battery that adapts power usage across the three screens, plus 65W super-fast charging and 25W wireless charging support, so you can get hours of use in just a few minutes. The Z Trifold will also run One UI 8.5 based on Android 16, offering smoother animations, smarter app transitions, and full optimization for foldable screens. And for those worried about durability, Samsung has reportedly used Armor Aluminum 2.0 with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection, so even though it folds 3 times, it's built to last. But here's where it gets interesting. Leaks suggest that Samsung might unveil the Galaxy Z Trifold during their Galaxy Unpacked event in March 2026, alongside the next-gen Galaxy Buds and Watch series. Just imagine being the first to own a phone that transforms into a tablet right in your hands. That's the kind of innovation that defines the future. Now here's the twist. Samsung is rumored to be adding a hidden surprise mode, an exclusive AI-driven Flex Boost feature that enhances gaming, video editing, and multitasking performance the moment you fully unfold the device. Only those who explore the phone deeply will discover it. So stay tuned till the end of the launch, because Samsung might just surprise you with a groundbreaking feature that nobody saw coming. This isn't just another smartphone. It's the start of a new era in foldable technology. And if you're as excited as I am about the Galaxy Z Trifold, you're in for a wild ride when this innovation finally drops. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Keep your eyes peeled, because the future of smartphones is unfolding, literally.